Hey, I'm Dr. Tim Varghese. I'm the founder and physical therapist of Movement Solutions. I'm here with my colleague, Dr. Joe Spurlak. In the last video, we discussed the 3 keys of overcoming knee pain. We talked about key number 1 was alleviating pain. Key number 2 is restoring movement. And oftentimes when you have knee pain, getting to that squat position can be pretty uncomfortable. Can be pretty painful in some cases. And going right to a squat exercise, even though we like squats a lot, it's not oftentimes the best place to start if your knees are flared up, irritated, inflamed, or you've just been in pain for a long time. But a good exercise to start working on movement is an assisted squat. And it's pretty basic in nature from a concept standpoint, but it can be pretty powerful towards restoring a full knee range of motion, or as much motion as possible in through the knees. Dr. Joe is going to demonstrate this movement. He's going to grab something sturdy. So in this case, we've got a rig he's holding on to, but you can use a post in your garage or anything sturdy, and you can start walking down into a nice squat position. You want to go as deep as comfortable. Joe's got really good mobility, so he can get full depth, full range of motion. But sometimes when people have pain for quite a while, they'll stop midway because that's about most they can comfortably tolerate. But this is a great exercise to start developing that knee range of motion and mobility. As the legs get stronger, the quads, the calves, the glutes and the hamstrings, the mobility is going to improve, and you're slowly going to be able to get deeper and deeper as you're progressing through a program that's designed to help you overcome knee pain. So key number 2 is that you want to definitely get back as much mobility and motion in your knees as possible. An assisted squat is a great way to develop that range of motion. If you have knee pain and you want some help, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can visit our website at movementsolutions-sc.com, or you can call us at 864-558-7346, and we'd love to help you out.